Quick question, what is a pattern maker's vise? A pattern maker's vise has been called everything from a luthier's vise, which are the folks who make custom wooden instruments like guitars and cellos and violins, to a gunstock carving vise for, obviously, holding custom firearms. Regardless of the technical name, you might as well just call it the most practical hold-down option you have in your shop. Why is that? Well, it can go just about anywhere you need it. A pattern maker's vise features, in this case, a 3/4 inch threaded rod, which in the case of the T30398 pattern maker vise, is long enough to extend through your workbench up to 5.5 inches, and it secures in place with a large wing nut below the table. So pretty much anywhere you have a 3/4 inch or larger hole, or even a basic workbench bench jog hole, you have a vise location. A great practical option to avoid drilling holes into your workbench surface is to take a larger piece of material, maybe something like a 2x6, drill a 1-inch hole through it, and clamp that material to the workbench. Then mount the vise through the hole, and when you're done, just remove the vise and unclamp the board. The oversized wing nut also plays double duty by loosening to allow the clamp to pivot 365 degrees. So speaking of pivoting, one of the main draws to this style of vise is the swiveling head post. When you clamp a workpiece, the jaw turrets pivot to meet the non-parallel surface, which is a favorite of luthiers and gunsmiths and carvers. The jaws also feature a non-slip surface to help reduce marring on the workpiece as well. And what about overall construction and capacity? The Grizzly T30398 pattern maker's vise is made from cast iron and steel, and it'll hold workpieces up to 6 inches. And it features 4 7/8 inch wide jaws. And that's about it. Simple by design, easy to use, and convenient to store when it's not needed. A pattern maker's vise is a great option for nearly any shop, and you can find this and much more for your shop on grizzly.com.